This idli is perfect. And these sprouts are so fresh. I know, it's the best way to start the day.
This formula here could optimize the workflow.
Good idea. I'll adjust the data range.
Perfect, let's test it.
This is so delicious.
It is. You made it perfect.
I'm glad you like it.
It's the best. That's a great idea.
Right? I'll jot it down.
Perfect. This looks so good.
It does. Thank you.
How is it?
Delicious.